Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to share about a topic this about WhatsApp proxy service. So newly WhatsApp launched a service called WhatsApp proxy. So I am going to say that about what is WhatsApp proxy. It's all about those people who out of service Meta and WhatsApp and Facebook live in out of service. Especially for them it's available, and those people who live rural area, their not internet connection is properly connected with their service. Their internet connection is not good. Actually for them WhatsApp provided or WhatsApp started the service or WhatsApp proxy. You can see here, if you going open your WhatsApp, then from three dot line and settings you will can see here data and storage. From here below you will can see WhatsApp proxy. You can see here, if you enable that's time you have to give up their proxy code, then that can be enable or enable. It's depend on your situation and your where you live, and it is especially for you have need or you have not need. Especially it's depend on up to you. So today in this video I am going to show you how can you enable the system WhatsApp proxy service. So basically I said all about that. So for enable this is you have to open a browser. From the browser you have to search here free proxy address. So you can see here I am simply searching free proxy address. Then simply you will can see here all the list of proxy service. You have to get here your country code, and you have to copy the proxy server from here. You can see here I am searching for my country. You can see here India. So simply I am copying my country's proxy code. Then after copying it I have to go WhatsApp, simply WhatsApp, and have to click here three dot line and have to go setting, and then you have to open your storage and data. Then after you scroll down you can see here proxy. Simply your proxy setting will be off and you have to enable it and have to provide your copiest IP address. You can see a proxy address. Then you have to click here save. You can see here they are showing me disconnected because I have a proper internet connection. You can see here I have a proper internet connection and I have here proper Meta connection available or Meta service available. For this reason they are not providing me this service. So this all about proxy service. If you have any question or any inquiry, please know me by comment below my description. Thank you. So that was the video. If you have any inquiry or any question, you can ask me below in comment of my comment box. So thank you.